One thing that makes WVU stand out among other schools in the nation is its classification as an R1 research institution. WVU is one of only 119 schools in the nation to receive this classification, showing that the research being conducted at WVU is some of the highest in the nation. On your journey through WVU, getting involved in undergraduate research is a stellar opportunity. However, there are a few misconceptions surrounding research at WVU. For example, many students believe that research is only conducted in STEM-related fields. However, today I will be discussing how research is conducted in non-STEM related fields such as the humanities, what this kind of research looks like, and how you can get involved with this kind of research here at WVU. To get involved with research, you don't have to go into a lab, wear a white coat, or test mice. You can actually sit comfortably in your bed or relax in a coffee shop and conduct research from almost anywhere. To conduct research in the humanities, all you really need is a computer and internet. Research in the humanities focuses on the study of human culture. We can gain authorship or create entirely new forms of art based on our research. We examine literary texts or other forms of art, study historical artifacts, and gain an understanding of cultures through our scholarly writing and inquiry. Humanities research spans many disciplines, including the visual and performing arts, history, philosophy, languages, literature, and so much more. Oftentimes, research in the humanities does not come with the same merit that scientific research does, but it is just as important. This kind of research does not center around scientific discoveries or technological advancement, but how humans interact with each other as well as their environment, allowing us to gain a better understanding of humanity as a whole. Throughout my first 2 semesters at WVU, I have had the opportunity to conduct research in the humanities, and it has been one of the highlights of my first year experience. My research in the humanities is analyzing narrative motifs in cinematic literature or film. Specifically, I am studying how soap complements the narrative of David Fincher's 1999 film Fight Club. When I discuss my research with other people, most of them are taken aback because they have never heard of a research like this one. Most of them didn't even know it could be done. I'm among the few students here at WVU who is conducting undergraduate research in the humanities, and I'm the only student conducting research in film. When getting involved in research here at WVU, pursue what you are passionate about, even if you are the only one. Through sharing my research with fellow students, I have helped them gain a better understanding of what research can be. If this form of research sounds a little more up your alley, you can get involved with the humanities research here at WVU through the Research Apprenticeship Program. Currently, the Research Apprenticeship Program mostly consists of students conducting research in science. However, this program loves to support students of all disciplines, including the humanities and the arts. To get involved with the humanities research, you can schedule an appointment with a RAP coordinator through www.undergraduateresearch.wvu.edu. This appointment will help you find a research discipline as well as a research mentor that is part of WVU's faculty to support you through this process. WVU has a high number of undergraduate researchers, but the diversity of disciplines among these researchers leaves a little to be desired. You can help grow undergraduate research here at WVU by getting involved with the humanities research today. Thanks for listening.